Raj, what's good, man? What's good? How you doing? I think I'm going to be looking to take sells here on gold as the lows are broken. We have 15-minute and 30-minute. It's going to be a nice little MP special, I think. This is a weak 30-minute candle here on gold. But based on the 15-minute and 30-minute, I think it should follow suit. They will probably look to get like a 1-hour wick fill here. Also looking for a potential MP special here on GJ. I'll get it marked up here in a second. Just getting everything rolling here. See if it's gonna give us this break here. Raj, same GJ entry as previous day. Gold entry, made 40 pips, done for the day. Fuck yeah, dude. Fuck yeah, congrats. Raj, you are always at the right place at the right time, man. Congrats, man. Congrats. Love to see that consistency, man. Yeah, it looks like we're gonna get that break on gold here. Alright, I did hop in this. I do think this should play out. A very simple MP special here. Well, looks like it looks like it might go hit my partial stop loss here now. D Razzle, hi, do you stream every day? Correct, I do. Correct, I do. Oh, Raj, you can't see anything? You sure? I think it should be fine. It looks like it's fine on my end. Patrick, good morning from Oklahoma. Good morning, man. Good morning. Never been out to Oklahoma. Partial stop losses hit there. Oh, Marty, what's going on? What's going on? What's going on? Diana, good morning, good morning. Almaty, yeah, I took this trade here. I took these sells as the low was breaking here on 15-minute and 30-minute. But in hindsight, it's kind of like a FOMO trade. Now that I'm looking at it, of course, now that's, my partial stop loss has been hit. But basically what I was looking at here is, we moved down, we came up, formed a resistance here. And then, notice this candle right here was the last candle to make higher highs and higher lows. And then this candle right here was the first candle to make lower highs and lower lows. And then this candle, I was basically saying, okay, cool, if we can respect the previous candle's high and break the low, then we should come down and, retest this support down here, which still could play out, honestly. But, now that I'm looking at this is a very strong, like level here. This is a very strong level here. You can see we rejected this level here. And so that's kind of why now I'm looking at this as a potential fake out to continue up. Because we broke down below this 1706 area and then came back and closed above. So this might be a little learning lesson for me right here, to not just jump into trades based on first sights and, take some time to analyze the market. But it's all good. It's all good. It happens. It happens. Every now and then you take a dumbass trade and you gotta be humbled. Every now and then the market will try to humble you, and it's okay. It's okay. Yeah, this same thing here on GJ, actually. I was looking at this too. This 15-minute candle closed with no wick. Or a small wick, I should say. Not no wick, but we'll see. I might look to add position back in as the low is broken here, because I do think it should continue. We've made a session low here. We've made session lows, and we're starting to transition into higher highs and higher lows. But 4 hour did break down and it's now rejecting. Same thing with 1 hour. 1 hour broke down, tried to close below, but ultimately came up here. So there are some signs that are kind of against us, and had I been taking my time, paying attention a little bit more, I probably wouldn't have entered this, but it's okay. It's okay. I still think it has a good probability to play out, and if it doesn't, it's all good. I'm within my risk parameters, so that's all that matters. Diana, good morning. Pongo, morning Mike. It's that rejection candle that's effing with you. Yep. Yep, it's all good. I look for the same resistance on GJ. Yeah. Yep, we got the same thing happening here on GJ. The only kind of troublesome here with GJ is this little range here. Garfield, good morning. Good morning. How's it going? But yeah, I looked at the same thing here on GJ and just felt more comfortable with gold because I thought it was going to be a little bit cleaner. 4 hours rejecting though. 1 hour looks like it's gonna close bullish. Alright, so what I'm gonna do here, because my partial stop loss was already hit, I'm going to delete my partial take profit, and I'm just going to move my profit to, or I mean my take profit to 10 pips. 1706.89. And that should put me at like a break-even standpoint for today. If it does go down to the 10 pip mark. What's stopping me on GJ is a strong daily resistance. What's stopping me on GJ is a strong daily resistance. You're looking at this zone here. 166. 166.914. 901, this area. Yeah, honestly, I was kind of looking at this on 15-minute, where it kind of shows price came down, formed a support, then we formed a resistance, then we, tried to go back down or whatever, and then we broke up. So I'm almost thinking that counter trend moves might play out a little bit better here on GJ. Whoops. which would go along with what you're talking about. El Mahdi. Trend line on 5 minutes holding. I think that's in reference to gold. Yeah, I don't really pay attention to 5 minute, but yeah, it's like in a little range here. Yeah, it's a premature entry on gold here. Kind of a, like I said, it was like a FOMO entry, honestly. I saw what I thought was going to be a beautiful MP special. And now I'm realizing that that wasn't the best possible trade idea. But like I said, sometimes you gotta get humbled by the markets. So it's all good. It's all good. It's all good to take them L's. Humble and spoken joy, bro. Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. I mean, a couple of things that I'm seeing. Number one, 15-minute looks pretty solid. You know, 15-minute looks really good. We came down, created a low. We have clean candles coming up, and they were all making higher highs and higher lows, and then we swapped. You know, this candle right here, the 615 candle, started making lower lows and lower highs. And so that's when I was like, all right, bingo. If it breaks the low and it respects the high, I'm in there. And it did, obviously. But if we swap this over to 30-minute, we see that this is actually a really weak 30-minute resistance. You know, it's a very weak candle. And if we look at 1 hour, 1 hour looks like a complete fake out. You know, because price came down, it tried to close below this support here, and I rejected. Same thing here on the 4 hour. We have a weak 4 hour candle here. We broke the lows, and now we've rejected. Jordan, what's good, man? What's good? Slingshot, GJ 15 minute. Don't tempt me with a good time. But yeah, it does look good. Yeah, this does look good. Let's see what this looks like. Yeah, 27 pips to the downside. But honestly, this could actually be a slingshot to the upside. This could be a slingshot to the upside because looking at this, we can obviously see the move down here pretty good. And then we came up, we formed this resistance. But notice this is a weak candle. You know, this is a weak candle here. And then if we look at 15 minute, the way I see this is we had a resistance here and we broke it. And this is almost like a little retest of the resistance, this candle here. Like if we had this drawn up as a zone, you know, it's like a retest of the zone. So I would honestly say that if GJ breaks the high here, the buy on the counter trend move is going to be better. The buy on the counter trend move is going to be better. There's like a little traffic here that could potentially happen because of this, but most recently we had clean candles moving through this zone. But yeah, Almaty, I see what you're saying. I see what you're talking about here on 15-minute candle. So we'll just kind of have to see. But I would be cautious of that purple box there. That purple box, I'd be cautious of that. El Madi, yeah, I'm staying out, doesn't worth 1%. Yeah. I think you're probably right, man. I think you're probably right. Yeah, for the counter trend move, I would look for the break of the highs. And honestly, might even wait for this candle to close. But the problem is there's 24 minutes left in this candle. But I honestly think this is like way better trade than I executed on. So, little note to self, you know, I'm probably not going to be trading in the first 30 minutes of the stream anymore. Yeah, take a breather, get everything situated, get the stream going, and then look for something. If there's something available. Got chat here. Roberts, what's up, man? How's it going? How you doing? Mike, do you ever swing GJ or just day trade? Nah, just day trade. I'm really not looking to be in a trade longer than like 30 minutes. On average, I think my trades are like 20 minutes. I'm really looking to catch like one 15-minute candle. And your lot sizes must be big. Yeah. I mean, not really. I mean, I'm only risking like 1% per trade. So, you know, usually around like $150 to $200 per trade is what I'm risking. Two lots. No news today. Should be pretty clear. However, you know, we could see, you know, like some movements due to the elections from yesterday. Could see that cause some stuff. Who knows though? This GJ 15-minute candle closes bearish. The next one wicks up, breaks a low. Should have a very good probability this is going to continue bearish. Just have to be cautious with like this range right here though. You know, this rejection zone could cause some problems. Yeah, it's a dog shit gold trade though. Dog shit gold trade. Came to the markets, try and scam the markets. Market scam me. Fucking assholes. Do, do. This could be a drive down though, because we have weak candle here. We broke the high pretty much immediately, and obviously you can see we're rejecting that, so could see a strong drive down now. There's like this zone here, this rejection zone. Or this is just a really nice liquidity grab for it to continue going up. Oh, we got sunrise. You see that? Everything got bright. CPI tomorrow will definitely bring a drop. Yeah, I think you could probably be right on that one. I think you could probably be right on that. Oh, what's going on with the stream here? This shit's freezing up. Is that why everybody's leaving? Diana, do you trade news? It depends, to be completely honest with you. Not really. I don't really like to gamble. I will trade during news times, like during the days of news, but not really a fan of gambling on news. So we got these breaks on GJ. I mean, I think GJ should drop down to the 166-600 area. This is a much better MP special here on GJ. Still have that 10% running on gold though. So we'll see. It's either going to hit my stop loss or it's going to hit that take profit at plus 10 pips. Pongo, I'm still chilling. Thank you, man. Thanks for hanging. Yeah, give us that damn push, gold. Give us that damn push. Make my analysis right. Yeah, I think this is a good trade op on GJ here. Good trade op, although it is coming into that potential rejection zone. So if you're in this, just be a little bit cautious. But I mean, the overall movement for the current day is bearish. So, once you get 8 to 10 pips in profit, secure some partials. Set stops to entry, only play with the house money. You don't want to risk anything there. Oh shit, look at that. I'm not gonna add any more on though. I think that's gonna be a dumbass thing to do. I know I talk about that often. I'll say, oh, I think I might add more to it. Add back what I closed if it breaks the lows. Although, if you guys notice, I never do it. I don't like to put myself into a position to lose more. I have a plan to reduce risk. But I don't really like the idea of a plan to add risk, you know what I mean? Upon go, why is your reason for trading GJ and gold only, if that's what you trade only? Really just influence from my mentor. And that's what he was trading, and so it just made sense for me to trade the same things. I didn't want to try and take what he was telling me and put it onto another pair. I just wanted to take what he was telling me, put it onto the same pairs that he was trading, so that way I could see, okay, cool. His analysis are the same as mine. So it made it a little bit easier for me, I think. And they just move good, they move good. I mean, GJ moves pretty strong, it has good market structure, good price action, it moves very strong. Gold, I mean, we all know gold moves really, really strong. So yeah, I think it's probably just that, you know, like I said, my mentor, that's what he traded, and then I just kind of followed suit. But before I really knew what I was doing, I was trading like everything. I was trading every currency pair. I actually really, really, really enjoyed trading USD. I think it was USD MXN. I used to call it taco. I used to call it taco, but it's pretty much the US dollar versus the peso. I used to love to trade that. But yeah, once I found Raja, you know, he was trading GJ and gold, and so like I said, I just wanted to, you know, trade those pairs because, like I said, if I was trading those pairs and his analysis matched mine, then I felt confident in the move. Also, if you guys want me to look at any other charts, if you guys want me to look at your charts, feel free to hop in this Telegram group, send the charts in here, and I'll check it out. Oh, we got somebody here that got a nice buy on GJ. Based on 1 minute though, Jesus. I do not like the 1 minute. I don't even look at 5 minute really. Yeah, this thing looks like a light show. Faye, if you're on here, this thing looks like a light show. At least you got some verbiage here. Impulse entry, failed to break above. Broke low of previous trend line to head to 786. Tap an RSI and stoke strongly down. Yeah. This is nothing like my trading plan, but seems like it worked out perfectly. Seems like caught a bag here. Looks like a goddamn light show to me, but hey, if it works out, it works out. We ain't all gonna trade the same, and that's alright. We ain't all gonna trade the same. GJ range, I mean a gold range. Yeah. Seeing some consistent action, some consistent execution here. This is a nice one too. Buys above the highs. Oh yeah, look at this. This is a nice slingshot setup here. Slingshot setup above support too. I mean above resistance. There's a resistance right here and it's right above it. Yeah, that's a good setup. That's a real good setup. So I gotta turn this music up. For me, not for you guys, by the way. Unless you guys want it turned up. Well, this zone that I had marked up here proved to be effective. Now we are like right here at another zone here on 15 minutes, so we'll see what it does. We'll see what it does here. We give us a little bottom wick, you know, hit that auto break even, hit that TP, take me out, and then go back up in range. GJ didn't really move. 7 pips or so, and it's still in this area, you know, still in this area of potential rejection here. Looks really good on 30-minute though. 1 hour it would just be like a range, a barcode. Dang. Well, good news is on gold is my stop loss is at a very valid area. Which is why I'm still in this trade. That's why I always talk about, you know, having a valid stop loss. A valid stop loss is key. You can always reduce risk with a partial stop loss. But if you have a valid stop loss and you're risking the right amount, you know, you're risking 1%, then you really shouldn't be worried about your stop loss being hit. Like there's times in the past where when this candle closed bullish, I would have just closed the whole trade. You know, I would have just closed the whole trade. And that makes the losses really small. But at the same time, you know, you're strangling the trade. And I've started to accept, like, you know, hey, if I open this and I'm following my plan, you know, I'm trading a 20 to 30 pip range, you know, I'm only risking 1%. I have my partial stop loss, my auto break even, my partial take profit, everything's in place, then I shouldn't be worried about losing the trade. I shouldn't get emotional or scared and just, you know, strangle the trade and close early. I should just accept the fact that it might play out or it might not. So that's something that I've really been trying to work on. And a lot of it comes down to just setting a proper stop loss. And honestly, like this should drive down now. I think this should drive down now because I mean there is like these rejections here. There's this rejection and there's this rejection here. This purple box and then, you know, another rejection right below it. So it might not, but you know, I'm just gonna leave my take profit here at 10 pips because I don't want to risk price going down, hitting my auto break even mark, going 10 pips plus in profit, and then going back to my entry and stopping me out. Because if I hit 10 pips here, this is likely going to be a break even trade for me if I close out at 10 pips. So I'd rather that happen. But that little thing there that you just heard, that was the auto break even being triggered. So it looks like we're running into the take profit here in a second. We'll see if it gets triggered. Daniel Harding, good morning, Mike. I'm entering on the break of this low, stop above the current candle. Awesome. I think that's going to be a good opportunity for you there, Daniel. 16, 17 pips. I think that's good. Just be cautious. This is the first 15-minute candle of the 30-minute candle, so we could see a rejection here. Just like we kind of are seeing here. And it hasn't hit my take profit yet. It just kind of wicked it. So we'll see. Now it's retracing and looks like it's going to stop that out in I break even. I'm out, sold at 1710, TP 1707. Amazing. 1710. Damn, did you get in here? Or was it over here? Either way, that's solid as hell. Merry Cruz Peraza. Subscribe to the channel, new subscriber. Thank you so much, Mary Cruz. Come on, gold. Don't do me dirty and stop me out. Just go down there, hit the take profit, then do what you want. Shit. Oh, it did stop me out. Damn. Stop me out at entry. Now it's going to go down to the take profit because it stopped me out at entry, so. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, exactly, Sky, exactly. Sometimes trading can really fuck with you. Through all of that, just to get stopped out at entry, man. It's all good, though. It's all good. You know, it's looking like my analysis was correct. It was just premature entry. Okay. Go. Go. It's really not bad though. Christine, good morning. Good morning. How you doing? What's your longest winning streak and same on losing streak? I've just started to learn all the Rogers concepts and I'm 0 out of 11 in 2 weeks. I hope that's 11 wins and 0 losses. Yeah, honestly don't know though. I honestly don't know. Don't really pay attention to it. I've closed 50% on my trade at a loss, trying to limit the losses. It's pushed back up. That's great, Daniel. I think that's great. Yeah, anytime you start to feel uncomfortable with the price action, you know, you got to execute on it. So, good work. Dan, what's going on, brother? How you doing? Sky, I feel like you smoke weed. Am I right? Yeah, I'd have to say you're right. But yeah, this was a little bummer here. A little bummer here. Oh yeah, 100% Sky. We'll definitely make it back another day. It's all good. Shit, I already made it back just from the lesson that I've learned. Yeah, no, we don't do that over trading shit. One trade. Sometimes I'll take another one if that first trade was break even, but other than that, one trade. Oh shit, Chris. No, I've not won a single trade. I manage all the losses good, but still haven't won a single one. Damn, that sucks. Write this down, okay? Chris, start after every loss you take, start asking yourself 3 questions. Number 1, how could I have lost less? Number 2, how could I have not entered the trade at all? Number 3, how could I give my trade idea a second chance if presented? So take note of those 3 questions. After every loss, answer those 3 questions based on that trade, and you'll start to improve. You'll start to see good results. But yeah, honestly, I think this should continue at this point, because now we have like another one of those little zones right there that it seems to be rejecting. Sky, did you get in on a buy yesterday when it flew? No, I didn't. I think yesterday, yesterday I traded GJ. Yesterday I took GJ sells. Yeah, yesterday's trade was fucking beautiful. I forgot about that. Yesterday's trade was beautiful. Got stopped out. Looks like drop now. Yeah, dango. That's like literally what happened to me, man. Got stopped, you know, triggered my auto break even. Got stopped at entry. Yeah, just barely. I mean, just barely missed my take profit. You know, probably like a pip, legit. It's all good though, man. It's all good. Hey Mike, it's Dr. S. Sartaz. How are you, bro? I'm amazing, man. Good to see you here. Good to see you here. It's Dr. S. Sartaz from Twitter. I remember you. I remember you from yesterday. But hey guys, I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna go get some coffee started because I'm tired as fuck. So I'm gonna get this coffee started and we'll resume. This GJ, man. I mean, this gold shit is gonna play out, I think. It closes below here. Closes below 1706. I think it's a really good idea to continue. Because like I got these past rejections here, and like this is what I wasn't paying attention to. So let me just like remove all the noise here. Let me remove all the noise. So if we look at this, we can obviously see this zone, but then we also have this zone right here, and then we also have this zone. So if we look at it this way, it doesn't make sense to trade in this area. See that? This 15-minute close is bearish below here. This is going to continue. The problem is there's not enough range to fill now. It's only like 15 pips to the bottom now, so. New York opened or being open. New York open is in 2 minutes. I took same trade, but it ranging, I think it will come down to 1705 because we have clear range till that. Yeah, just gotta be cautious of this here. Be cautious of this here, and obviously this 15-minute support now. New York open in 2 minutes, 8 a.m. Eastern. It's 7:58 right now. I know that time change got some people fucked up. Yeah, and see, just like I said, you know, we're starting to reject this area here on GJ. So that's why you really got to pay attention to everything. You really got to pay attention to everything. Jake, honestly, man, I'd say gold shouldn't be traded today. Yeah. Yep. You might be right. Yeah, I took a trade here. I didn't realize that I deleted that too. Risk 1%, loss 0.29%. Not bad. Proper risk management. Yeah, see, this goes along our story of the fake out. This goes along that story of the fake out that I was talking about at the beginning of the stream. Price came down, created support, then created resistance, and then went down and broke the resistance to create that fake out. Continue to move up. That's what's gonna happen here on GJ. Yeah. Not enough range there. Not enough range there. So this is going to be the buys above now. There's not enough range here either. Oh. Yeah, we could probably look for sells below here. We'll just have to see. We'll have to see. Oh yeah, this nice little slingshot setup happening here on the hourly. Yeah, I think Jesus is gonna continue bullish. Yeah, 4 hour broke the low and rejected. It's moving bullish now. Yeah. Oh, don't tell me that, Almighty. Don't tell me that. Dr. Sartaz closed 2 pips profit. Good work. Gold is melting. Gold gonna come down now. I don't even want to look at it, man. Yep. It's a strong rejection now. Strong rejection. This is a really good MP special though here. If we look at this based on the 30-minute, you know, we have this zone here. Oh, I mean, sorry, not an MP special, a slingshot. God damn, what is going on here? So you have this zone here. So if it respects this zone, it should be fine. If you're in this trade, I don't know. If you're in this trade, you should have hit break even. I would have hit break even at least, and I would have gotten stopped out at entry. Yeah, this thing's moving up. This thing is volatile. Rejecting like this 1 hour zone. It's in like a 4 hour range. Yeah, gold looks pretty choppy. Gold looks pretty choppy. Yeah, I think GJ should continue bullish at this point. Waiting for a close above might be a good idea. But I'm going to be right back again. I'm going to go pour this coffee up. All right, we back. I think, bro, gold today ranging between this range, and tomorrow we have CPI will be spiked till 1670, then move to 1730 because we have imbalance from those levels. Yeah, I think you're probably right. I think we will probably see gold fall today. As I mentioned though, stop loss above previous 30-minute candle. As long as it's respected and continues to go down, that's good. Which this seems to be what has happened. Catch you tomorrow, bro. Let me go hustle this trading capital. Pongo. Adios. Have an amazing day. I think, bro, we should need to create Zoom group. It will be better for trading. I agree. I think I need to figure something out as far as that. I need to figure out how to set it up properly. What I need to do is figure out a streaming platform that can use Zoom and stream to YouTube. Cause like the thing is like, you know, I'm gonna have too much shit open, too many apps, you know, Zoom, OBS, you know, parallels to trade, all this shit, you know. So it just gets a little laggy. I tried it on Telegram and it got a little laggy. So I gotta figure out a better setup for it before I can do that. What time is CPI tomorrow? 8:30, I think. Yeah, 8:30. 8:30. So DJ slingshot here, based on the hourly. Dang, that would have been a nice move. Yes, good trade setup. I did same trades whole year, easy, 15 to 20 pips. Yeah, this setup here on gold is easy to execute on. Yeah, I was going to say I'd love to hop on with you and ask questions, real time, have conversations. I think an organic convo would help your viewers. I agree, Jake. I agree 100%. I agree. When we will discuss on Zoom, then trade will be more good. Absolutely. I thought about Zoom, but same time, I think Mike will be handled better. Yeah, I'm gonna see if I can get that figured out today. We got comics coming in 5 minutes, so let's see if this rejects gold hard as hell, or if it just pushes gold bearish as hell. Comics coming in about 5 minutes, so let's see what happens here. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna try and figure out that Zoom thing today, because that's been a common request, and I knew it would add a lot more value. And it wouldn't just be me talking to myself for 3 hours a day. Fu FS, GJ buys, yeah. I might wanna wait for 30-minute candle to close above here though. because we have a zone here that it could be rejecting. You know, here's some past rejections, and that could be what this rejection is. So just have to see. Yep. 15-minute candle close, strong bearish, no bottom wick though. Super low probability there. But yeah, I mean, just based on everything else, I mean, it just shows that it should have been bearish as shit. You know, the huge 4-hour rejection, you know, the 1 hour. See, where I screwed up on my entry is it was during this candle. So this candle had broken down and rejected. So this candle has closed strong. Well, I shouldn't say like strong bearish, but it's stronger than the previous 2 bullish candles. So it gives us a high probability for that momentum to continue bearish. Then this 30-minute setup is just perfect to execute on for a bearish push. Whereas this is just straight range, and this is kind of what I was executing in. It wasn't straight range when I was executing in it though, because it took sells right here as a 30-minute low is being broken, but this is a weak 30-minute resistance candle. But yeah, it makes sense. I got dibs. Hit me up, Jake. Yeah, I got you. Need to think, bro, and inform me on Twitter too if possible. Well, gold just fell. Yes. Okay, bro. Mike, thanks for all. Yep. Adios, man. Dr. S. I'm gonna call you Dr. S because I can't remember your name. And your name here on the stream is a little different. Dr. S. Dr. Sartaz. S. Sartaz. That's what it is. Have a good one, brother. Have a great day. Let's check the chat here. Oh, I wonder if we got anything on. Yeah, see, we're getting that hard rejection on 15-minute now. GJ. And on gold, really. Which makes sense because we had no lower wick. This is basically saying that there's no range for price to move down. So this could just be a massive rejection here. About to see. And this is the comics. Look at that. Oh man. Oh man, Jake, that's a good one. Yeah, Almaty, I mean this wick on the 15-minute, a lot of times you see this. Like there was no lower wick on the 15-minute and it broke the lows in the first part of the candle and it drove down and then came up, broke the highs. A lot of times when you see candles with no bottom wick, the next candle is going to close in the opposite direction. So, you know, no bottom wick in this case, close bullish. If there's no top wick, then close bearish. Yeah, but look at this 30-minute, man. This 30-minute would have been good to execute on, though. This would have been really good to execute on. You know, stops above previous 30-minute candle would have been 20 pips or so. And very clean range down 15 pips or so. Yo, Mike, wagwan, brother, wagwan. Man, we get closure below 167. This is gonna flip. That 30-minute candle closure below there. Strong rejection on that zone. That's crazy. God damn. Oh, what the hell? Rejecting hard as a mofo, man. I take the slingshot on the close of the candles. It's a bit risky, but I move stops to break even once we fill the wick. I just need a solid wick more than 7 pips. Good work. Did my monthly target on trades I posted on Telegram on that gold range after spike up, so chilling rest of the week. Great work, great work. Great work, AFC. GJ fake out on 15-minute, correct. Yeah, and if we look at this on 30-minute, this closes, you know, weak bullish like this. Just wait for the next one to wake up, break the lows. Problem is though, there's obviously support right here, so it's not going to be the best idea to execute on, in my opinion. But it looks really good. If you're looking for GJ buys with a close above 167.1 and a sell if it closes below due to rejection, yeah, if it closes below here, I think sells would make more sense with some sort of bearish confirmation, which it's starting on this 15-minute with the 15-minute closing bearish. The only problem is hourly is still open, but it is rejecting this area. It's rejecting this area really hard. It could just be the top wick for the 4-hour candle. So yeah, just gotta wait for candle to close here. Yeah, I use magic keys, yeah. Man, look at that rejection, holy. I was doing some wild shit today. This is why you only take one trade a day, because, you know, there's a couple of different things I was considering executing on where I would have probably gotten eaten up on. Hardware, software version. I have both. I have the hardware. I have the hardware ones, like the actual physical ones, but I have the on-screen one too. The physical ones actually don't work for me anymore. I got 2 of them. They work. They just don't work on MacBook anymore. It's fucking stupid. Yeah, this is just shit at this point. I mean, the MP special sells would have made sense here, and this would have been like a slingshot setup. But it would have made sense here to test the lows. But yeah, that move's done with. That move's done with at this point. I think GJ breaks a low. It's going to continue bearish. But like I said, you know, there's support right here at 10 pips. So you got to be cautious about that. If if you're going to execute there, you got to be real cautious about that. Because this is a crystal clear fake out here. There's a fake out like a mofo. Fake out like a mofo right there. And gold been on a huge downtrend. To be honest, Mike, I'm still bullish on gold. I don't believe in sells of yet. They are short-lived now. That 30-minute rejection could be the last move down for gold to continue up, in my opinion. Yeah. Right on. Right on. Yeah, the problem is you know, we do have daily resistance here, 1726, and then we have 4-hour resistance here at 1715, and then we have like another 4-hour rejection area here at 1709. So yeah, that's there's a lot of like shit happening here. I mean, really, like 4 hours just like in a little range here for real. I think above 17.15, 17.16 is a good buy position if it breaks that resistance. 17, yeah, for sure. For sure, but there's definitely, you know, like there's 50 something pips to the top of this range. The challenge is like these candles are clean through the range, and so are these candles. But then we have like some bullshit going on here, some bullshit here, so that's where it starts to get a little challenging, is like how far back do you look, you know. And the reality is like all these areas bring traffic. There's always traffic like in these ranges in the past, so that's why I just try and focus on the current candle market structure, the most recent zones, and then go from there. So with that said, I mean, we do have clean range here, so if we can get a candle closing above here, I think we can continue bullish through here. But it's going to require something that hasn't happened yet, and that would be candle closing above here. So we've you know, rejected above here numerous times, but we haven't closed above. So that's kind of the missing piece in my opinion. Funny, on days when Raja streams, my streams are dead as hell. On days when he doesn't stream, them things are jumping. Yeah, hell yeah. Always appreciate it, Fu, AFC, Jake, Almaty, Sky now too. Sky's gonna be the regular as well. Pongo, yeah. I mean, there's quite a few. Daniel, and Dan, Chris. There's quite a few of you guys that show up pretty religiously. Christine, Diana, yeah, pretty much everybody that's been here. Roberts. Everybody that's been here today is pretty much like a regular. So Raj, even, yeah, a lot of love from the OGs. Yeah, Christine, absolutely. Market's moving a little wacky today. Took my sells a little too early though. Myself a little too early. You guys here with me helping out with the algo, with the algorithm. Always pains me to see all the easy ass huge moves that happen in London while I'm asleep. Sucks New York has to be so bad. Yeah, I mean we get good moves in New York. It's just sometimes it can be a little trickier. And a lot of times like the London moves is what paves the way for the moves in New York, you know, so do you think gold gonna make this break up or what? Nothing yet. You gotta wait for this 30-minute candle to close. It's also gonna be the 4-hour candle close. Same with GJ. I gotta wait for 30-minute. Roberts, Mike, how was your trading day? Not bad. Took one trade here. Gold sells. Risk 1%. Lost 0.29%. So not bad. Basically took it right here as 30-minute lows were being broken. Had stops above previous 30-minute candle. Was targeting bottom of this range here. Really, it was executed based off of 15-minute though. Whoops. This is 15-minute close strong bearish. And these candles were making higher highs and higher lows. And then this candle started making higher lows, or I mean lower highs and lower lows. So I was anticipating, okay, if this candle respects a high and breaks a low, it should continue down. But it didn't. You know, there were some past rejection areas here that I was kind of selling into. I was just kind of looking at the current market structure, trusting that it would push down. So yeah, nonetheless, yeah, that's pretty much what I did. That was my entry. That's where my stops were. This is where my target was. Partial stop loss was triggered, so I closed 90% early, and then price came down here, hit auto break even on my runner, and then came back and stopped the runner here at open, or I mean at break even, before it then continued to fall, and probably would have been a profitable trade for me, but oh well. I think it's going up but not entering. I think you're talking about GJ or gold. Markets are weird. Last days got 0 out of 2 in London. Yeah. Gold, yeah. Yeah, I agree with you, man. I agree. This kind of fake out here I think was pretty harsh, so I agree. But yeah, I think for me this week I've had Monday was the 7th, right? Yep. So I've taken 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trades this week. I had one on Monday that was a really small loss, like it was 10 cents. So I just considered that a break even. So I took another trade on Monday. The second trade was GJ. It was a loss. The third trade was GJ. It was break even. The fourth trade was GJ, a profit. And then the last trade was today, gold, which is a loss. So this week I've taken 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trades. I have 1 win, 2 break evens, and 2 losses. But that 1 win hit full take profit. And if both of these close below, I'm gonna die. This GJ yeah, this GJ 30-minute close back in range. I'm selling. I agree. Yeah. Honestly, I think if it breaks a low here, it's good. If this 30-minute candle breaks a low, should continue bearish. But like I said, you know, there is this zone right here. You can't ignore that. Cannot ignore this. You can anticipate volume to break through here, but you know, you can't ignore this. Can't ignore this here. Gold will have a late session move by the looks of things. Yeah, we can always see, you know, things happen at London close. Does tend to happen. What Apple device do you trade on, Mike? The MacBook Pro. But I need to get something else. If you guys have any recommendations of, I want to get a Windows computer. If you guys have any recommendations of Windows computers to get that I can use for trading and streaming, I would appreciate it. It's gonna tell me the fucking Mac Mini. Shit. Windows Surface Laptop 4. This is like a tablet. Oh wait, this thing here. This thing's gonna be good for streaming. Oh yeah, I think I looked at this. hustle, we hustle. Dang, man, GJ just went and broke the lows there. Oh yeah, I forgot Black Friday. Save $500. God damn, yeah. And these really aren't too bad. 2200, 2400. The thing is, like, I don't know, like, anything about this shit. Like, I don't know what any of this shit means. You know, I need to, like, probably call them and be like, hey, I'm trying to get a computer that I can stream on and trade on. What should I get? And let them tell me. That's probably what I need to do. Oh, gold close above. Very, very, very small top wick though. Yeah, see, that's unfortunate because that would make me not want to take buys here. It should move up though because, you know, this candle tried to move down, strong ass rejection. The next candle didn't even move low, you know, it didn't even create a bottom wick. It just went out, broke the highs and continued to drive. But yeah, it just broke the high. Like, this is also the beginning of the 4 hour. That means 4 hour candle closed with a very weak wick. So yeah, I don't know. I wouldn't execute on gold right now. It's probably gonna reject. Also, this zone here that it has a very high probability to reject. Now GJ rejected this zone, closed back in the range, created a low, respected the previous candle's high. Yeah, I'd still wait for sells below or buys above. Dang, this thing's pushing right here. Gold is pushing. Turns out the buys would have worked. Oh, good. Not something I would have executed on. Yeah, AFC, no top wick. Yeah, that no top wick, you definitely can't ignore. GJ here on the other hand, I think this should move bearish, but still gotta wait. If gold flips on 4 hour, we are driving down. Yeah, I mean, the thing is, the previous daily candle was strong as bullish. We moved down and rejected and never broke the high. So this could just be the bottom wick to go break the high and continue up to, 1726. So you got to kind of be cautious of that. In my opinion, like this rejection here is stronger than this rejection here, because price moved down, came up, and then just rejected super hard. But at the same time, if it was going to move bearish from there, it would have done so as it broke the lows. It would have closed bearish below this support. So in my opinion, this is a very strong level of support here. There's a very strong level of support in this area. There's still, pretty much the whole 4 hour candle happening. We had the rejection of support here. We came down, rejected support here, tried to move bullish, rejected support here again. So yeah, to be honest, like it's really just a range, but like this whole thing is just a big ass range. But yeah, I would want to see, some sort of closure below support to take sells. I mean, there's tons of range to fill to the downside, so there's no need to force, a trade. With me, I'm just chilling because I already took that trade. I don't want to compound losses. I took a small loss on gold sells, then a break even, and now I took a very small buys expecting volume. Secured 21 pips. Good job, Manos. Good job. Done for the day. Good job. Good work. Good work. Good job. Alright, so 15-minute just closed. GJ still in the range. Gold closed pretty good, but there is this rejection here on 15-minute. And also we've had 1, 2, 3, 4 bullish candles in a row. What's the probability that price is going to keep pushing through here and ignore this rejection zone and print another bullish candle to come up here? I say it's probably not a good idea to take buys there. GJ just nothing, you know. 15-minute tells no story. I'm in those buys on gold from 1710.68, entry based off of the 5-minute as we did a retest on that resistance closed above. Okay, I see. So you're looking at this zone here, right? Yeah. Retest, buy. Yeah, it's a little risky in my opinion. I don't like to trade on 5-minute. I don't trade on 5-minute. Don't even really look at it. Don't even know why it's up here, to be honest. So I'm gonna remove it, because I don't use it. Yeah, see, I think you got to be cautious with this. This is a resistance on 15-minute. Already secured 20 pips, Mike. Thanks for aiming at that wick fill 100%. Good job, man. Good job. Good work. Good work. That wick fill. I think realistically I should push, 17-13. Hit this wick fill on the 4 hour. And GJ's starting to break. Dang, that rejection. It's the beauty of securing profits 100%, man, 100%. Alright, so we got the bearish close at resistance. So we got the bearish close at resistance, and then we have a 30-minute candle with the strong rejection. So quite honestly, I think if the 30-minute candle breaks a low, it'll probably continue bearish back into the range. That would be like 15-minute candle breaking the low too. If you guys remember a couple of days ago, I think it might have been Friday. Actually, yesterday's trade was kind of like this. But if it breaks a high here, this like a slingshot move to continue bullish. But yesterday's trade was kind of like this. It broke the low and it kind of corrected the move. Let me see if I can find it. Oh, I was trading GJ. Yesterday. But yeah, if it breaks a low here, I think it should push down. I mean, we're closing bearish at a resistance. 30 minutes also rejecting. 1 hour has no top wick. 4 hour also has no top wick. Yeah, I think that should continue on the flip, on the bearish flip. And honestly, what this might be a better setup for is, you know, support the form to go retest the highs created. And for GJ, we did get the close, but no bottom wick. So just sit on your hands. Nothing to do here. I wouldn't execute. I would not execute. But yeah, we're going to shut it down for today. It's 9:30. I'm going to get to it. I only took that one trade today. Not going to look for anything else. I took the gold sells as we talked about right here. Basically was anticipating price to continue down. Fill this range of 26 pips. Had stops about 21 pips or so. Wasn't too bad. Overall risk 1%. Lost 0.29%, so not too bad at all. But yeah, other than that, didn't really see any other setups to execute on. Also wouldn't have, more than likely, but just didn't see anything. So with that said, we'll shut it down for today. We'll come back tomorrow. CPI news tomorrow, so it's probably going to get a little wild, I think. So I'll probably look to stay off of gold and probably just look for trades on GJ tomorrow, but we'll see. Other than that, if you haven't already, please like the stream. If you're new to the stream, please subscribe to the channel. And with that said, I think that's everything. Covered all the bases, I think. Let me make sure we got nothing here in the channel to discuss. Okay, yep, all good. Okay, well, you guys have a wonderful Wednesday, and we'll come back tomorrow. We'll do it again. Diana, thank you. Have a great day. See you tomorrow. Harith, thank you. Have a good one. See you tomorrow. Adios, everybody. Have a good day.